For the fact that I'm a graduate and this is all I do, people laugh at me sometimes because they're like, you're a graduate and you're doing this. You're not serious, but it's not easy at all. I'm Mabel, Ugomma. I'm a graduate of Ebonyi State University. I studied food science and technology. I do fascinator, I do auto Gele, I do turban, I also do hairband, trending hairband. This is twisted trending hairband. So this is the latest fascinators now. You can wear it to your wedding occasion. You can use it, so beautiful. So I also make all these things are handmade, made in Nigeria. I use my hands with needle to sew these things. So they are so beautiful, well made, you can see. So this is what I'm doing. I'm also an actress. I do a lot of things. So I reside in Abuja, but I always do webinar to states. The more the order, the more I deliver. So anywhere you are, as far as even outside country, because of how neat they are. Actually, it's not easy because for now I use hand. Sewing with needle is not easy. I'm believing God to bless me with machine because you can still use a machine, industrial machine to sew this. So I'm believing God to bless me with industrial machine. Yeah, there are some things that you will not use hand when you want to make it neat so that your customers will not complain. So what I do is that I give aboki, those guys that are used to sew in the street, so they help me out. So but now I'm believing God for industrial machine. I'm believing God for a lot of things, like there are some equipment that you use, like all this candle gum, the bigger size of it, then I need it to make it more. For now I use my hands, I use needle to sew. For the fact that I'm a graduate and this is all I do, people laugh at me sometimes because they're like, you're a graduate and you're doing this. You're not serious, but it's not easy at all. It's one of the challenges. We live in consistency because the demand I had last year is not exactly the demand I'm having this year. People keep on ordering. Like last week I webied to Kaduna and someone saw what I did, and I'm also going to webill again this week. The only challenge I have is I don't have enough material and I don't have enough equipment to produce in a large quantity so that I can be advertising all the time. But people that have seen my work and they believe in me, they keep on ordering. No. I'm not going to forget everything about work and face my business because this is what I love doing. It's one of the passion. I have passion to do this. So I can go to my work and I will still come back and do this. So it can't affect me.